Falafel isn't just a food. It's comfort, tradition, and a taste of Middle East in every bite. Whether tucked in pita, served with fresh salad, or enjoyed on its own, falafel feels like a treat. And today, we are gonna make even more special. Not only we are making homemade falafels, which are crunchy, fluffy, and also satisfying, but creamy hummus, smooth tahini, and fresh salad to bring it all together. A complete Middle Eastern feast straight from my kitchen. So let's dive in and get cooking.
Firstly, we are going to make homemade tahini. Take some sesame seeds and dry roast them on a very low flame for about 10 minutes until they are nice and aromatic. Let them cool down completely, then transfer into a mixer jar. Add a little salt to taste and grind until you get a smooth, creamy paste. Since sesame seeds release their natural oils while grinding, make sure to scrape down the sides in between. Add the olive oil gradually. This will help you get that perfectly smooth and creamy texture. Your delicious tahini is ready, perfect for hummus, dressing or dips. Now we are going to make homemade hummus. Add chickpeas, garlic, lemon juice, salt to taste, and fresh tahini we made earlier into a mixer. Drizzle in a splash of olive oil and start blending. As usual, add the olive oil gradually while grinding until you get that rich, creamy texture. For the finishing touch, drizzle our olive oil, add a pinch of red chilli powder, and your creamy homemade hummus is ready. Serve it with warm pita bread, crispy falafel, or as a part of a delicious platter. Perfect for sharing. Now we are going to prepare a fresh, vibrant salad for our falafel platter. This will add a crunchy, refreshing touch to go perfectly with the hummus and falafel. Take some mixed green leaves and parsley. I am adding just a little since I already used some in the tabbouleh. Then add some colorful capsicums, both green and red. Feel free to use whichever you like. Next, add cucumber, purple cabbage, and fresh tomatoes for a vibrant, crunchy salad. Now it's time to add a dressing to give our salad a delicious flavor. In a small bowl, pour some olive oil, add a pinch of salt and sprinkle of mixed herbs. To balance the tanginess of the lemon, I have added a little honey, but you can use sugar if you prefer. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss everything well. And there you have it, a fresh, vibrant salad ready for your falafel platter. Next, we are going to make a fresh tabbouleh. I have boiled some quinoa, and to that I'm adding chopped onions, juicy tomatoes, and plenty of parsley. Season it with a pinch of salt and pepper, and finish it off with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Mix it all well, and there you have it. A bright, flavorful tabbouleh, a perfect little component for your platter. Now for the star of our platter, falafel. I have soaked some chickpeas overnight, and to that we are adding chopped onions, garlic, lots of fresh parsley and coriander. Then a teaspoon each of coriander powder and cumin powder, a dash of pepper and salt to taste. For that perfect crunch, add just a tiny bit of baking powder and don't forget some sesame seeds for extra flavor. Now grind everything together, but remember, we don't want a super smooth paste. Keep it slightly coarse so your falafel has that amazing texture when cooked. Our falafel mixture is ready. I realized I forgot to add some chili powder while grinding, so I am adding it now. The mixture should look slightly grainy, and when you try to shape it, it should form a nice ball. If it's too loose and doesn't hold together, just add a little chickpea flour. Once done, cover the mixture and let it rest for about 20 minutes. Resting allows the mixture to set, making it easier to shape and fry. And now it's time to shape them. I'm using a measuring cup to make sure each falafel is even in size. Just press the mixture into the mold, then gently pop it out. And there you have it, perfectly shaped falafel ready for cooking.
I have already got the oil heating up, and there are a few things to keep in mind before frying. To check if the oil is ready, dip a skewer in. If bubbles forms around it, the temperature is just right. Make sure there's enough oil to fully cover the falafel, otherwise they'll cook unevenly from the bottom but not the top. And lastly, don't overcrowd the pan. Give each falafel enough space to fry nicely and turn golden brown. Carefully place the falafel into the hot oil using a spatula, sliding them in gently one by one. Don't rush and don't overcrowd the pan. That's the secret to even frying. After about 5 minutes, they'll start to firm up, but give them a few more minutes to get that perfect crunch. In roughly 10 minutes, you'll have a golden brown falafel, crisp on the outside and soft on the inside, just the way they should be. Our falafel platter is ready to serve. For a complete Middle Eastern meal, we have got soft Lebanese bread, fragrant cardamom and saffron rice, a fresh salad topped with olives, creamy homemade hummus, refreshing tabbouleh, and of course our crispy, fluffy falafel. I have also added a drizzle of garlic yogurt dressing for that extra punch of flavor. It's wholesome, fresh meal to enjoy with your family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe.